In recent decades, a virtually invisible program of terror was melded into free nations in order to extinguish particular people on the neighborhood level. The psychopathic faction overseeing this global campaign employed a multitude of think tanks and defense contractors to create a revolutionary new war form. There are different names and descriptions given to this hidden atrocity. Some include civil military operations, low-intensity conflict, fourth-generation warfare, network-centric warfare, military operations other than war, and others. This contemporary design is the result of a revolution in military affairs that itself is part of a larger societal transition. This war form brings with it a new enemy, new soldiers, new battlefield, new weapons and tactics, and new objectives. It is characterized by the abundant use of civilian and commercial resources to inflict brutal psychological trauma on select individuals. I ask that you please read the following chapters of The Hidden Evil and New World War so that my description of the street-level tactics will be understandable. For a description of these weapons and tactics, see these New World War chapters. Introduction to Non-Lethal Weapons, The New War, Introduction to Directed Energy Weapons, Miscellaneous Weapons and Tactics. Also check out the Tactics Part 1 chapter of The Hidden Evil. Read the Use of Citizen Informants chapter of New World War and the Citizens Enforce Their Rule chapter of The Hidden Evil for evidence that a major portion of the civilian population has been recruited to enforce the rule of wealthy psychopaths. For an explanation of why the typical citizen will not resist recruitment into an abomination, read the Obedience and Motivational Factors chapters of The Hidden Evil. To find out more about how NLP functions as an adaptable uniform for the citizens, and how it is used to create phobias in the battle space, check out the Sensitivity Programs subchapter of The Hidden Evil. The tactical use of PSYOP in your neighborhood that includes the drastic modification of the environment, as well as the use of citizens to deliver products intended to mentally traumatize the TI, is described in the Psychological Operations chapter of New World War. For the cover-up, please read Volume 4 of New World War that includes chapters which illustrate how fake brain diseases are created by drug companies for profit, social control, and concealment of this global atrocity. You may also want to have a look at the Why It Remains chapter of The Hidden Evil.